Hi there. Let me walk you through the National Council on Disability Affairs online disability-related courses. But first, let me explain to you some important features and content of the online course. Since our online course is designed with accessibility as a top priority, we use the Moodle Learning Management System as our platform of choice. Moodle LMS is WCAG 2.1AA compliant, meaning users can be reassured that Moodle meets accessibility in 4 key areas. You may check this site by going to the footer and clicking on the accessibility statement. The accessibility features are listed here. Our courses are divided into 3 categories, namely, the disability-related awareness courses. For those who would like to learn about different types of disabilities, how they were able to acquire them, and the do's and don'ts on how to accommodate them. Then we have disability support services courses, for those who would like to learn how to set up disability support units in their offices, companies, agencies, and work environments. And, lastly, we have Person with Disability Affairs Office-related courses, for personnel, staff, and officials of the PDO of their local government units. A course teacher is assigned to every course. You may want to interact with them while navigating through your learning. Initially, we offer the following courses for disability-related awareness courses. We have Deaf Sensitivity, Disability Sensitivity, Physical Disability Sensitivity, and Visual Disability Sensitivity courses. For Disability Support Services courses, we have Disability Support Services Guide, Education, Training and Work Options Guide, and Higher Education Institutions Disability Support Unit Guide. For PDO-related courses, we have the Registry of Persons with Disabilities Guide and Digital Literacy. The look and feel of this online course is very much the same as with regular online course. First, you browse the list of available courses. Once you selected the course you want to enroll, simply click on it. On this demonstration, we will select Disability Sensitivity Training course. You will immediately be brought to the login screen. As a new user, you need to create your own account. So click on the Create New Account button. Following the Data Privacy Act of 2012, users must know the personal data being collected on this site. Once you read the finer details, you may click on I agree to the site policy button to proceed. The new account form appears. All the fields are marked required, so you need to fill them all up. After you've completed, click on the Create My New Account. To verify your authenticity, you will receive a confirmation email from the email address that you entered. Take time to open your email and click on the link for verification. You may want to check your spam inbox if you can't find the verification email. Once you are fully verified, you can now continue. You will now be brought to your selected course. Click on the Enroll Me button to start. The course outline appears on the left side of the screen. You cannot skip any topic. Each succeeding module has a lock in icon mark. This means that you must complete and finish each activity before you proceed with the next one. Your course starts with meeting your course teacher. She will explain to you what you expect in each course. Each topic can be collapsed and expanded so you can view each activity. A green dot appears on each activity to indicate you have completed it. If you want to pause and continue the next day, simply log out. Then log in again. But this time, your screen will go to the dashboard. Don't worry. Your lessons and activities are saved. You can simply click on the course you enrolled here to continue. At the end of each module, you need to take the module quiz. As a matter of policy, you must have a perfect score before you proceed with the next topic. After completing a course, you will receive a certificate of completion emailed to your registered email address, complete with QR code so others can verify its authenticity. Our online courses are still a work in progress. There are still a lot of sectors with disability that need to be discussed and learned. Soon, we will tailor-make each course that fit the needs of businesses, especially those that want to hire persons with disabilities, as well as government agencies that need to promote inclusive workplaces. Happy learning!